Hey up campers, welcome back to the channel. Now this episode is all about giving a new lease of life to the adventure bus. We're going to take it from where she's been residing for the last 2 years, move her down to this neglected corner of the compound here at Wild Adventure HQ and turn it into a beautiful, unique, off-grid glamping pod for our daughter Atlanta, who's literally just about to finish her time in college and move on to the chosen career that she's dreamed of all her life. So this latest upheaval is all about this. That's right, this absolute eyesore of a gable end wall. With literally no notice, we've been informed that the landlord wants to render this wall. And that's great news. It's great news for the Airbnbs. It's great news for the tattoo studio. It's going to neaten the place up no end. Of course, he's not doing it out of the goodness of his heart. He wants to rent this out as advertising space. We're going to have a massive, great big billboard here. Again, that wouldn't be a problem. Well, it wouldn't be, that is, if it wasn't for this. Yeah, the adventure bus. So now we've got to find a way of moving this van with no engine, no wheels and no suspension components from where it currently resides to somewhere else, so that the scaffolders can erect the scaffolding in order to render the gable end wall. So there we go. By now you must all know that I love a challenge, and that's exactly how I'm treating this. We've now got 4 weeks, less than 4 weeks even, no, 4 weeks I think, to find a way of getting the old adventure bus moved from where it resides right now at the top end of the yard and bringing her down here to the bottom end of the yard. As I said, I wasn't going to make a video out of this, and I'm already 2 days into this project, in which I've moved this polytunnel from the spot that it was about where I'm stood now, and the 2 polytunnels that were behind it, as well as hand moved about 4.5 tons of topsoil, which I am now levelling out around here. So, no more dilly-dallying, time's a ticking, we best get cracking, eh? Right, so at the end of day 2, we're just about done. We've got everything moved, everything tidied up, everything levelled out. We are ready to move the old adventure bus. Now, I've got a plan for how I'm going to do this, but I'm not going to tell you yet because there's a chance it might not work. But in order to implement this plan, I need some wheels to stick on the rear axle. So that's the first hurdle, is finding some wheels, and then we can, well, then we're all ready to give it a go. I'm really hopeful. And we finished just in time because it's just started to chuck it down. So a productive couple of days. Fingers crossed we can get this next bit done without having to wait too long. Wish me luck. So there we are. The camper van is gone and the gable end wall problem is no more. Well, since we've already turned our world upside down in the process of all this, we figured we may as well go the extra mile and really create a unique little glamping pod for Atlanta. And the timing couldn't be better. She's literally just about to finish college and start looking for a job and move on to the new chapter of her life. So how better, and what better time to give her own little bit of privacy and her own little personal space. Okay, here goes.